the people of the Federal Republic of Nigeria, having firmly and solemnly resolved to live in unity and harmony as one indivisible and indissoluble sovereign nation under God.
That means the preamble is fake. We the people, who are the we? When did we meet? And why can't we do it? There's no constitution that is near as fake, near as deceitful, near as make-believe in nature and in content as the Constitution, as what we call the Constitution of the Federal Republic of Nigeria 1999 as amended.
The Constitution that operates in Nigeria today is a fraudulent, mischievous document foisted on Nigeria by a departing military junta. I would have thought that the first item on the agenda of the government that came to power in 1999 was to address the issue of that constitution, its legitimacy. Because like the Patriots observed, it told a lie against itself by saying that we Nigerians under God have agreed to live together, blah, blah, blah. There was no time when we were asked that question.
Do hereby make, enact, and give to ourselves the following Constitution.
The military cannot give us a constitution.
The Constitution that we have at present is a fraud.
The Constitution creates massive avenues for corruption and comprehensively protects the potential beneficiaries of corruption.
The Constitution, the 1999 Constitution, is a constitution that I believe we should jettison completely because it does not augur well. After 17 years, it has created more problems for us in Nigeria.
Our present extant constitution is an imposition of the military. A Supreme Military Council that was not elected by anybody, that did not respect any known parameter in its recruitment except seniority in the army, that was lopsided in terms of its geographical identity of membership, imposed the constitution, enacted it like a legislation. It was not subjected to a plebiscite, it was not subjected to a referendum. In law, you say it's not untouched on us because the people did not agree that the 1999 Constitution is their constitution. We didn't vote for its approval.
This is the problem. This constitution can never give us progress. This constitution can never give us peace.
Minimum condition for re-entering, for renegotiating even any form of union. Where we are now is that the union is at an end. Anybody who doesn't understand it will learn the hard way. That the constitution has been delegitimized and is going to be decommissioned.